Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious layered popsicles. First, gather your favorite fruit juices, yogurts, or purees. Aim for 3 to 4 contrasting colors and flavors to create an appealing treat. Make sure all your liquids are well chilled. This helps prevent the layers from mixing too quickly. You'll also need your popsicle molds and sticks ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable layering process. Now, let's start layering. Pour your first chosen liquid into the popsicle mold, filling it approximately 1/4 of the way. This initial layer needs to be firm enough to support the next. Place the molds in the freezer for about 45 to 60 minutes. Once that layer is solid, you can carefully add your second flavor. Remember, patience is key to achieving those beautiful, distinct layers. For the best results, ensure each layer is fully frozen before adding the next. This prevents colors from bleeding and keeps your layers sharp. If you're using popsicle sticks, insert them after the second layer has set a bit, but before the mold is completely full. This helps them stand straight. Don't rush the freezing process. It's crucial for distinct, vibrant layers. You'll be amazed by the visual appeal. Once all your layers are frozen solid, your beautiful layered popsicles are ready. To easily remove them, run the molds under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. This helps loosen them without melting. Gently pull on the stick, and your masterpiece will slide right out. These vibrant, refreshing treats are perfect for any warm day. Also, for staying hydrated, check the description for a link to a fantastic Oala water bottle and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.